QGIS is a great open source geographic information software which you can use to create, edit, visualize, analyze, and publish geospatial information. Now there are many useful things you can do in QGIS with the exports that you get from the image processing software. Identify X and Y coordinates of points in the orthomosaic. Measure distance and area and add annotations to the orthomosaic. You can also generate a TFW file. It is a file extension used for plain text files that store X and Y pixel size, rotational information, and world coordinates for a map that is stored as a TIFF image in the GIS application. I will cover the usage of this in detail in the next lecture. Similarly, you can measure distance and area and add annotations to the digital surface model. You can also identify the XYZ coordinates of points in the DSM. You can also clip the orthomosaic and the DSM. Clipping is similar to cropping, where you can take out a section of interest from your orthomosaic or DSM while keeping the metadata intact. Also, you can generate contours from the DSM in the intervals of your choice and perform smoothing and noise reduction operations on it. You can generate contours that are compatible to open and use with AutoCAD. And finally, you can overlay the orthomosaic, DSM, and contours. I will show you how to perform all of these functionalities of QGIS in the next lecture.